Samhain here. I wanted to do something different this October season, and I wanted to show you, the viewer, something that I don't think most people have seen or has been done before, although I'm sure it'll be done after I make these videos and start uploading them, which is par for the course. That's fine. I wanted to show you guys what I would like to entitle Haunter POV, to show you what it's like to be in my shoes and see what I see throughout the night. So the following clips you're going to see are all POV shots shot on a body cam throughout one night, and there will be more videos like this, and I selected the best moments, the moments I enjoyed the most, to share with you guys. So without further ado, please enjoy Haunter POV.
You only do that once.
I'm gonna get Jacob to pick me up.
No!
Alright, please.
No.
Please. I'm
Lonnie, you're showing them you're scared! Come on,
Please.
Lonnie, no one's open her!
Big shot for real!
They're literally...
Please go.
Lonnie!
Please!
They're coming at me!
I know.
Lonnie, come on. Lonnie.
Are you going to the other one?
Which one are you going to? I'm not mentally stable right now.
No one is.
Rock on, bro. I got humor. Please rock on.
Well, security camera and everything.
I don't want to be here no more. Don't cry.
I'll give her a hug. She'll feel it. Do you want a hug?
No.
Okay.
Let me have your hair. Give it to me.
Take that shit, but let me see. Where are you? Oh, your heart's going.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Oh my God.
I didn't forget about you. I'm still here.
Oh my God.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Don't forget. Don't forget. Make sure you go to church Sunday. I'm watching. No, I can't. It's still right.
Hard. What were you saying about Jesus?
I can't hear you. What are you saying?
Why are you giggling so much?
Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me right here. Tell me inside my ear.
I am too mentally stressed for this.
It's okay.
Where are you going?
Into the darker area.
Yeah, where are you going down? Yeah.
Some more of it. It's mine. I will have it. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Give it to me. It's mine.
Take her.
No, I wanted that one. It tastes better.
Well, average asthmatic.
Come here. Come here. Let me give you Let me tickle. Let me give you a tickle. Just tickle a little bit. Yeah. Just.
The fight. You can box a carny. You can box a clown. And the clown
Yeah.
will pick somebody out
I'm
of the
brushing your hair. Brushing your hair.
Right there.
Gotta make it clean. We gotta clean you. We have to clean you.
Your beard looks just like my mom's. It's fine.
Clean.
It's fine.
Okay, clean.
No, the bearded lady was loyal to you.
What do you want? You want down? You want down? You want down? You want down?
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. No. You're gonna scare me, are you? Promise? No, I'm gonna stay right here.
Okay.
Thank you, though. Go scare my little sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They fed me alcohol shot.
Oh my gosh.
So, Karen,
Hey, Brooke. Hey, Brooke. It's not funny, Taylor.
what?
What?
Who are you?
You know who I am.
Oh my god. No, I don't.
Go ahead, Brooke. You're fine. I'm gonna eat all your hair.
Stop.
No, I will not stop.
I really don't know who you are.
I want to see you later, Taylor.
I hope you enjoyed watching those as much as I enjoyed being the one bringing them to you. I did want to touch on a couple things or elaborate on a couple things to give you kind of some context moving forward with the other videos that you'll see throughout the season. Keep in mind, the body cam is right here, right in the middle of my chest, okay? So on occasions, the angle isn't the best, and I apologize. Also, the sound might be off. It does have an internal microphone, which you'll notice when it gets too loud, which it often does at a haunted house, it'll pop and crackle. So I apologize for that. I just want to keep it self-contained. I don't want to go all out, get an external microphone, anything like that. So just bear that in mind. The most important thing that I did want to share with you is you do see this, but add the teeth and add the blood, and I don't really talk at all when I encounter these people. So when they're looking at me and there's nothing being said, I know I do talk on occasion. I talk probably a little bit more than people expect, but it depends on the mood of the night and how I'm feeling. Sometimes I barely talk at all. For 4 hours, I don't say anything. I just rely on the sheer presence of me being near somebody. And that leads me to my next point. A lot of these times when you see me and the camera getting close to people, I want you to understand how physically close I am to them. It's about less than a foot. I'm standing about that far from these people and just looking at them. So just to give you some context, and I encourage you to go back and watch it again, knowing that information, and then you'll be able to understand, I think, a little bit better why these people are reacting the way they're reacting. And of course, I'm doing stuff with my face, my mouth. I have blood in my mouth that I'm constantly spitting out and making noises. But I'm all in all a pretty silent character because I don't think I need to say much. When I do, I say something. And it also depends on my mood, as I said. So, again, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. If you have any questions or recommendations or anything of that sort, feel free to leave them in the comments. Have a good one.